students, myself Sushmita Kotkar. I again welcome to all the dear students of Shramashakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Maldad online classes. I am back with the fourth video of EVS 1 of Standard 4 of chapter Water Safe for Drinking. In previous video, we have studied that how to make water clear, and it is another word for clear is potable. So students, how we make water clear? We had seen 3 steps. After settling, we have to add alum and stir it and then filter it. After filtration, leave it for 2 to 3 hours, then filter it. Then after that, we have to boil that water for drinking purpose, because when we filter the water, there are some impurities that are present and not seen to our naked eyes. That's why we have to boil the water. So related concept we are going to see in our textbook. So please see in your textbook. So students, after boiling it for 20 minutes, you can drink the water. So students, you know that in the rainy season, you often hear outbreak of diarrhea or other diseases. At such a time, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration only. Then does it become safe for drinking? Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. So there are numerous kind of microorganisms around us. They are present in the salt, in water, in air, on rocks, that is anywhere and everywhere. So we are going to study about microorganism and microscope. So students, what is mean by microorganism? Let's see. Micro means very, very small. The thing that are very, very small are called as micro. Next term is organism. Microorganism is a word that is made by using micro and organism. Then organism means a living thing. Organism means a living thing. Then what is meant by microorganism? Microorganism means a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with the magnifying lens. Means these are the microorganisms are the organisms that cannot be seen by our naked eyes. So by how we can see this microorganism? By to study and to see about microorganism, we require the microscope, and I will show after some time I will show you the picture of microorganism. But what is the microscope? Microscope is an instrument for looking at very, very small things which cannot see with our eye, or even through a magnifying lens. Means to see the microorganism we required microscope. Now I will show you the picture of microscope. So student, see the picture carefully. One girl watching something by using instrument. So what is this? What it is called? It is called as microscope. It is a microscope. For study and for seeing microorganism, we required microscope, and this is the picture of microscope. So if we take a bit of yogurt or a drop of buttermilk on a glass slide, and place this slide under the microscope. Means here we have to place that slide. We see very tiny living, and when we place this slide here, that slide contain yogurt or buttermilk, and we see, observe by using microscope that slide, what we see? We see very tiny living things in it. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt, and they are useful for us. Means for some microorganisms are useful for us and some are harmful for us. So yogurt and buttermilk contains some microorganisms that are useful for us, but all microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms causes diseases like diarrhea, gastric. In rainy season, many diseases take outbreak. Why this is? This is because of these microorganisms. They enter our body and they are said to be harmful microorganism, and they are said to be harmful microorganism. So students, even if the harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not to be able to see them. The water with such a microorganism looks transparent. Would it be safe for drinking? No, it is not safe for drinking. That's why we have to boil the water, and by using boiling process we can kill that microorganism. So what are the benefit of water? The water has many more benefits. First one is it improves our skin, then it promotes weight loss. Third one is maintains digestion regularity. Fourth one is prevents acne breakout, and fifth one is increases energy level. So students, always drink safe water. Safe means potable water. So I will show you some that concept microorganisms and microorganisms on whiteboard. Please see on whiteboard. So students, look here. What is this? This is micro. So what is mean